Add Maths 2012, Paper 1, Question 8. First thing we're asked to find is Sx, which is here, with the opposite angle and two sides, so I'm going to use the cosine rule. So Sx squared has to equal 9.5 squared plus 4.5 squared minus 2 times 9.5 times 4.5 cosine of 60. So Sx squared is 67.75, so Sx will be the square root of that, which is 8.23 kilometres. Then asked to find XSR, which is this angle here, and I'm going to use the sine rule. So the sine of XSR divided by the opposite side, 4.5, has to equal sine 60 over Sx, which we got to be 8.23. So the sine of XSR will be 4.5 sine 60 divided by 8.23, 0.47, and that gives us an angle using shift sine of 28.26 degrees. We're now asked to find the size of the angle RXY, so that's this angle here. I can start by finding SXR, and it will be 180 minus 28.26 minus 60, which gives us 91.74. Then because they're on a straight line, YXR will be 180 minus 91.74, which gives us 88.26. Finally, we have to work out YR, and I'm going to use the cosine rule again. So YR squared has to equal 3.15 squared plus 4.5 squared minus 2 times 3.15 times 4.5 cosine of 88.26, which gives us 29.311, and if I take the square root of that, I get that YR is 5.41 kilometres. So Frank travels along Rx, which is 4.5 kilometres at 20 kilometres per hour. If we use our speed, distance, time triangle, we see that time is distance divided by speed. So the time that it takes is 0.225 of an hour, and if I multiply that by 60, I get 13.5 minutes. Jesse travels along RY, which is 5.41 kilometres. He is also travelling at 20 kilometres per hour. So using the same formula, his time is 5.41 divided by 20, 0.2705 of an hour, which if I multiply by 60, it's going to take him 16.23 minutes. Now, if we think about the train, and from S to X, it's doing 8.23 kilometres at 40 kilometres per hour. So the time taken is 0.20575, 12.3 minutes. So Frank's not in time. If we then consider the train going from S to Y, that's a total of 8.2 plus 3.15. So that is 11.38 kilometres, and again at 40 kilometres per hour. So the time taken for the train is 0.2845, multiplying by 60, that's 17.07 minutes. So Jesse will be in time.